Hi there, work continues today on the terracotta floor. We'll start getting this area laid in and get this section finished. But before I lift them all up, I want to make sure I've got every one of them in place correctly. Okay, I've got one there. Big one. Well, it certainly won't hurt to have some spares. I'm going to go with that design. That's got to be laid. There. And then this row. Go here. Yeah, it's easy to forget where you are with it. Looks like it could be time for another load of sand. As long as I've got all the bits of gravel out, I shouldn't have too much problem. Well, I'm really pleased with that. That's coming along absolutely lovely. A nice little border there letting you know that this is the step area. This gravel has been absolutely amazing on this floor. It was so, well, let's say just undulating. It was very uneven. There was rocks sticking up. This kind of just floated across the top. It created that barrier, as I've mentioned, for the moisture. And it's been a real good base to lay these on, you know, something really solid. Once the mortar gets into it, it's like setting it on concrete. Very, very strong and very functional. Yeah, we'll go for that. Does it need cleaning? Yes, it does. So very changeable, the weather. It's hard to plan sometimes. I'm just going to move the rest of the tiles tidy up in the garden, but I haven't got any snorkel today, so I'll have to give that a miss. It is pouring down. Yep, the tiles will have to be another day. So, did you guess that I was going to go with this, with these encaustics around here? Well, I think they look absolutely fantastic. Well, for me, this certainly was a step in the right direction, excuse the pun. Now, I'm really pleased with this. It's come out really nice. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.